Everyone, this game doesn't allow live streaming.
Hello.
Excuse me? Yo, welcome to a pack opening. I will be opening 20 Bravo packs and pulling exclusively uncommon.
Are you streaming this on Twitch, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get my Twitch up so I can watch. What up, stream? I'm currently googling the freeway positions for this beautiful man's benefit.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I had to inform the street. They need to know the truth. What goes on behind the scenes, Morton? They need to know.
Someone, what are we looking for? Not headgear. Any
Yeah.
shield black eyes.
The spear to finish off your set.
Oh yeah, the spear or you can't get pistol black ices.
Well, what the fuck is your
Like,
Twitch?
not to get the P9. Believe it or not, the same name I've used for everything for the last like 8 years.
Black Daddy, got you.
I can't wait to pull fucking.
What you get like?
Myron
What you get some like dog shit ass fucking.
I'm gonna pull charms and like uncommon fucking weapon skins for the God 6.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull like the most fucking awful.
Get the
awful
fucking
epics.
get the super shoddy black eyes.
I'd pop off for that.
I'd pop
You
off
can
for
run
a
it
super
on
shoddy.
Clash.
Yeah. I'm watching the stream currently.
Yo, okay, let's go.
It's weird because I can hear myself, so.
Only.
Oh.
Oh?
Legendary right off the
Okay.
bat.
Yo!
Oh, okay, you got the
fucking
plasma pink.
hot pink. Yo.
That's pretty cool.
Purple?
That's pretty cool.
It's, you know what, kind of cool. I don't think I have a gun skin for that.
Black calcium is kind of meh.
It's,
Another purple.
I don't have a skin for the weapon, so.
Another purple.
Yo! That's fucking
Oh, you're so. No!
Oh!
No, my baby.
Oh, that's fucking. I'm so happy. Okay, good.
Ooh,
Okay,
legendary.
get one shield.
One
That's
shield,
what we
one
wanna
shield.
see. Well, that's weird.
Oh.
What the fuck?
That's a bit odd.
I'll put it on.
I think I got that one.
It looks. I don't fucking know. It's some wacky shapes.
Yeah.
Purple?
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Fucking goated! Holy.
What did you get this time?
Yo, Ghost, are you good? You coping? Vitro?
I'm gonna pop the fuck off for you. I'm gonna pop the fuck off for you.
Another
I'm your
purple.
hype man. This is
Another
my whole
purple.
purpose of being here. You've just got like two like the fucking best black ices back tonight, motherfucker.
Make that 3, pussy. Actually, is that the good one? M4.
Yeah,
Is the
they.
M4 the
Oh
good
my
one?
god.
Let's go!
Oh.
I don't fucking play Maverick! Yeah!
What the f? What the
Another
fuck
purple,
is you
another
having?
I reckon I guess.
Got so many good ones. What
So I
the
want
fuck? The game's finally paying you back for all the years without
What the
black
fuck?
eyes.
Fuming.
Oh.
How is that a purple?
Because it comes with like, you know, like the funny bundle that you have from Malusi and shit?
Yeah, but it just shouldn't be purple uncommon. Do not care.
Anyway. Oh, uncommon.
Fucking ugly.
Oh.
Do not care.
So, you've had like 3 banger black ices.
Ooh, another purple. He's a horse. Another purple. It is a horse. I think so. That's kind of dog shit too. Uncommon. Glass skin. Wow. Another purple. That says dog shadow. Another purple. Let's go! Fuck yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Hold on. Hold on, where is she? Where is she? I don't know where the fuck Finker is. No, there's like 5 more. I just wanna fucking bask in the glory. Mav. 1, 2, 3, let's fucking go! Oh, goated. Monty Shield, like, smoke SMG. I think. Oh, and the funny knock headgear. Another purple. Oh, wow. So the one thing I looked at before I was like, damn, I don't want uncommon. Gun 6. Legendary? Ooh. Is that universal? Or is that just... Oh, that's hot. That's hot. We love that. Blue. And last pack? Purple? Ooh. Incredible amounts of tension. And none of them were worth it. Fuck. Go to pack opening. Let's go have a look at what we got. No, that's the bigger one. It is the good bot gun. We love that. We adore that. I don't play bot, but you know, we move. Oh yeah, this one. Yo, play more support. Does he not? Fuck. Frag up. I've got a suppressor on this, hold up. Mav. Oh, I also got the fucking hot Mav headgear. But let's... I don't even think that is a hot... Yeah, what why? It's so fucking... Shit, man. And, the Finker one, we did look at the Finker one. I don't remember what the other ones were. Vigil. Attachment skin does not go with it, but we move. Holy. Honestly, worth. Totally worth the wait, and not pulling anything good for the last, like, 2 years. Yo, thank you for coming out to the stream. Thank you for being my hype when it comes to mental health. Yo.